Hi guys, let me show you how to make a car. I also does have a car, but this piece is broken. Let me show you again how to make a car.
Let's do it. This and this will be here. That's great. Now this. No. Let's this and this and this. This works great. That's a bomb illusion. Oh. Oh. Ah. I'm working great. But first, we have to. Now we.
Flying fist. Flying fist. And the digits will be so high. And this is real and will faster ever in speed. This faster. Subscribe our channel. Don't
forget to watch.